Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. So, guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through on how you can create a Quora space. Firstly, most of you will be thinking is that why will I create a Quora space? Yes, maybe to monetize it, or to promote your affiliate links, or just to create it for you just to be exploring the. But for the monetization, I will not be doing it in this video. Yes, I will not be showing. I will create a separate video for that. Yes, how to monetize a Quora space. I will be creating a separate video on that. So today we're talking about how you can create a Quora space firstly. Yes, because that is the most important. That's the first thing you need to know how to do before you can monetize the space. So guys, for you to monetize the space, it is very easy. But firstly, why do you need a Quora space? Basically, maybe for just promoting your affiliate links. Yes, just promote your affiliate link. You can just create a space, yes, and start promoting your affiliate links. Yes, and Quora is an app and also a website that get massive millions of website visits or app visits, yes, every month. So you can promote your affiliate links also on Quora and we get sales, yes, and get more traffic too because people are really much on Quora. Yes, that is why you can promote your affiliate link on Quora and you can also get sales also on Quora. So guys, and also the second reason why you should create a Quora space, it is for the monetization. Yes, for the monetization because a Quora space you can monetize it, but normally a Quora space when you monetize it, it is not Quora itself that will pay you. It is people that will pay some amount of money to read that your blogs that are monetized. It cannot be shown to everybody like that. It will be shown to people that are your subscribers. Yes, your subscribers that it will be shown to. So, and also, let me dive back into the affiliate part. Quora is a very good app for promoting your affiliate link. Most of you will be saying that Pinterest is the best. Yes, I'm making a separate video on that Pinterest store. Yes, how you can promote your affiliate link on Pinterest. So if you're interested in that kind of video, just comment you're interested in the comment section. And also, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment and share it with your friends also. So, as I was saying, Quora, you can promote your affiliate link on Quora and you get sales because it is an app and a website also that has millions of monthly views. And also, Quora has many advantage and it also has the disadvantage also. Yes, because normally that's how things is. So thinking of creating a Quora space, you have three options. Yes, is either just to be exploring there, just to be posting without getting anything from it, or to promote your affiliate links, or to monetize it. Yes. So let me walk you through step by step on how you can create a Quora space. So stick around this video. Let me teach you how you can create a Quora space. So guys, before I go, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment and share with your friends also. And also turn on post notification so that whenever I upload any video like this, YouTube will notify you. Thanks so much. Let me walk you through step by step on how you can create a Quora space. So follow me. Let's go. So guys, for you to create a Quora space, all you need is to first of all create an account. If you have created an account before, just log in. So after logging in or creating an account, just come to this. You'll be taken here. Then just click on this people icon that is down right here. Then can you see create or discover? Click on create. Can you see it said welcome to spaces up there? So as for me, this is where you can put your name. Don't just put brain smart. The name is available. You can't just put any random name and expect for them to accept it. The name must be available. It must have not been used by someone. So input your description right here. Let me just say hello. Then click on create. There's the create icon up there. Click on create. After that, and also this is your invite link. This Quora Space is just like a WhatsApp group, but they differs. Can you see? You can also add contributors, but as for me, I'll just skip this part. I'm going to skip this part. Skip. Then our space has been created. And also, let me teach you how you can post and those kind of things. Can you see? This space, it is owned by only you. Yes, you are the admin. Yes. In that place, I was told to add contributors, but I did not add it. I skipped that part. So, if you feel like you can add contributors, can you see? These are the things you need to do. But I've done everything. Yes, can you see? I've done all what I need to do. Can you see? Edit visuals. I can do that. Add your piece of content. Invite space. Invite people to follow this your space. Invite people to follow your space. Okay. Share your space to feed. Okay. So, firstly, the most important right here is for us to create a post. So, guys, for you to create a post, all you just need is to write all what you want to post right here. Maybe I want to write like how I doing, like how are you doing, everyone? How are you doing, everyone? How is everything? How you feel? And also, you can change the character of the text right here and change it. You can also add link in all these things too. Can you see? They perform different functions. Just leave this necessary. Can you see? And just also add questions. Also, yes, you can ask questions and people can answer. So let me just skip that part. Post.